Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to the English Mathematics class learning video. With me, Yasmin Putri Intan, a student of Mathematics Education at State Islamic University Raden Intan, Lampung. In this video, we are going to learn about function limit. Let's watch this video carefully. Any of you know what a limit is? And what are the definitions of that limit? The limit of a function is the value of the approach around a given point, either approaching from the left or approaching from the right of that point. Mathematically, that limit can be defined as follows. The limit of fx as x approaches a is equal to L, which means x approaches a, but x is not equal to a. Then the value of fx approaches the value of L. The left side limit, written as limit of fx as x approaches a minus equals L, which means the value of x that approaches A from the left. And the right side limit, written as limit of fx as x approaches a plus equals L, which means the value of x that approaches A from the right. If both limits on the left and right sides are equal, then the sum of the limits in is and the limit of fx as x approaches a is equal to L. Let's go to the first sample question. What is the value limit 5x cubed plus 7x plus 6 divided by 2x to the 5 power plus 4x minus 6 as x approaches 2? Then the solution, we substitute the value of x equal to 2 becoming 5 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 7 times 2 plus 6 divided by 2 times 2 to the power of 5 plus 4 times 2 minus 6. 40 plus 14 plus 6 divided by 6 4 plus 8 minus 6 equal to 10 elevenths. In the limit, there are several properties. Does anyone know how many there are and what are the properties of the limit? If k is a constant, f and g are functions that have limits for x approximates a. Since a is a real number, then the following properties apply. 1. Limit k is x approach a is equal to k. 2. The limit of fx is x approach a is equal to fa. 3. The limit of k times fx as x approaches a is equal to k times the limit of fx as x approaches a. 4. Limit of fx plus minus gx as x approaches a is the same as limit of fx as x approaches a plus minus limit of gx as x approaches a. 5. The limit of fx for dx as x approaches a is the same as the limit of fx as x approaches a for the limit of dx as x approaches a, with the limit of dx not being equal to 0. 6. The limit of fx times dx as x approaches a is the same as the limit of fx as x approaches a times the limit of dx as x approaches a. 7. The limit of fx to the power n as x approaches a is the same as the limit of fx as x approaches a raised to the power n. 8. The limit of the n root of fx as x approaches a is equal to the n root limit of fx as x approaches a, with n being a natural number greater than or equal to 2 and the n root limit of fx as x approaches a being a real number element. The form of the ratio of the limit is divided into two. namely the definite form and the indefinite form. Definite boundary form in G, A over B, A over 0 equals infinity, 0 over B equals 0, with A, B real numbers. Indeterminate limit form i.e. 0 over 0, infinity over infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity to the power of infinity, with A, B real numbers. In the limit, the result shall not be like that and must be changed. There are two ways to change the form of this limit, namely factorization and rationalization, or multiplication by a common root. Example, the limit is 4 minus x squared divided by 3 minus the root of x squared plus 5 as x approaches 2. We use the method of multiplying by common roots so that limit is 4 minus x squared divided by 3 minus root x squared plus 5 times 3 plus root x squared plus 5 divided by 3 plus root x squared plus 5 as x approaches 2. From this operation, we get the result, limit 3 plus root x squared plus 5 when x approaches 2. Next, we substitute the value of x into 2 so that 3 plus the root of 2 squared plus 5 gets the final result equal to 6. That was today's functional limit material. Don't forget to keep practicing to hone your skill. See you next time with the maths materials. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.